In this video I will give you some toppings ideas. Hello everybody, welcome back to Fabulous Pizza. I am about to stretch and bake another beautiful pizza. Hopefully it's gonna be beautiful, and I will give you some inspiration with a new combination of toppings. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you will be the first to know when I will upload my next video. Let's go. Here we are, so I'm gonna tell you what kind of toppings I put. First, I use some radicchio. This is beautiful reddish, purplish leaf. You can make salad, you can make risotto, you can make pasta, whatever you want. So you can also make pizza. I'm baking it right now, but if you like it more crunchy, you can also put it after you bake your pizza, and especially because it will preserve a little bit more its colors. Then, of course, I did some julienne because it's easier to use it as a topping. Then I use some blue cheese. It's a Danish blue cheese. It comes from Denmark. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it really because it's so nice and creamy, and it pairs amazingly with the radicchio. Radicchio is on the bitter side, so I wanted to balance its bitterness with a little bit of sweetcorn. Oops, sorry. And that's it. Let's control my pizza in the oven, and it's almost time to eat. And the pizza is ready. This time it's ready. I don't need to add anything else. You can enjoy a closer view. And it's time for me to cut this pizza and eat it. Lunch is served. See you next time. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this pizza. Bye. Radicchio. Devo dire radicchio, tipo pistacchio.
Non lo so. È scritto radicchio al live.
È scritto pure pistacchio, però io devo dire pistacchio. Io dico radicchio.
Si chiama radicchio.
Non mi ricordo dove sono rimasto.